Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tab back with another keto video. I haven't done a keto video in a long time, but today is a day to get back into the keto diet. Still on it. I've been on it since July, so July, August, September, about 5 months now. I lost a bunch of weight. I look totally different than my pictures in June. I'm loving the diet. Very easy to follow. And I recommend keto to anybody who has inflammation in the body or who wants to lose weight or who wants to be healthier. Keto is the way to go. I was at Walmart today and I heard about these Slim Fast Keto Fat Bombs from the Keto Connect channel. The first time I heard of it. So I went to Walmart today and I saw it on the shelf, and Slim Fast had a big old section of keto stuff. Some of the keto stuff are real keto, some stuff is not. But these are keto fat bombs that are not bad for you. As you see here, the zero sugar, MCT, coconut oil, a peanut butter cup. Okay, and of course we have to read the back of the label to find out what's in it. It has milk chocolate coating, chocolate, erythritol, cocoa butter, whole milk powder, non-dry milk, soy, which is not that good for you, stevia, blend of oil, MCT oil blend, coconut, peanut butter, erythritol, milk, isolate, flour. So it's only 6 carbs, 3 sugars with erythritol, 3 fiber. So total carb is 1. Okay, so total carb is 1. I'm sorry. Total carb would be 6 subtract from 3 and 2. Yeah, so it's all 1 carb. So is this keto friendly? Yes, it is keto friendly. I think it's borderline keto friendly because it does have flour, does have palm kernel, coconut, soy. So it does have, it's borderline, but it's still not as bad for you as anything else. And you get 14 of these things, and they taste really, really good. I was surprised how good it tastes. It tastes really good. 1 out of 10. I give about like an 8, 7 or 8. It's like a peanut butter cup without all the peanut butter and chocolate into it. But here it is here. And they're small, okay? The one thing I don't like, they're really, really small. I mean, as a grown adult, eating one of these ain't nothing. I mean, you have to eat 2 or 3 to be kind of satisfied. When I first bought these, I ate 1. It tastes pretty good, but I had to open a brand new pack to really, get the joy of it. But it says 0 sugar, coconut oil, MCT, free from gluten, artificial sweeteners, colors. So 1 net carb. So yeah, this was $10 at Walmart. What I'll do below the video, I have a link to Amazon. I think it's a little bit cheaper on Amazon, but the price fluctuates back and forth. So click my link below. It'll take it to Amazon where you can check it out for yourself. But this tastes really good, and you get 14 of these. And as you can see, I'll open these up. They're really small. Okay, they're teeny. They're small. Okay, it's not. You can see that they're not big at all. I mean, I'll have to eat like 2 or 3 of these, and you eat 2 of these, you have 12 left. If I eat 3, I have 11 left, and they'll go quick. But it tastes delicious. It's really good. It's really good. I can see how small it is. It's like a peanut butter cup. It's like a peanut butter cup. It's almost the same size as a Reese's peanut butter cup. Okay, so not as bad. The labeling here. If you go to the healthy section where the keto stuff at, this will be on the shelf. They have protein bars that is not keto friendly, have maltitol in it. They have keto MCT oil. They have keto shakes. They have Slim Fast is really trying to get on to this keto thing. So make sure if anything that says keto, make sure you read the back of it, read what's in it. Make sure to have maltitol. Make sure to have corn syrup in it. Make sure to have roast chocolate chips in it. Read the carbohydrates. Sometimes it'll have 20 carbs and 3 fiber. So that's 17 carbs, and it has sugar in it. It's a snack bar. So make sure you read the labels always with these bars. And it says here keto friendly. It says two. What's this? 2 replace meals a day with the Slim Fast keto shakes and bars. Enjoy 3 low-carb snacks. Add Slim Fast boosters. They're really trying to get into the keto, okay? Really trying to get into keto. Not all the Slim Fast stuff works, but this is pretty good. I wouldn't eat it all the time. I'm still on the Quest bars, but this is a good, something different once in a while. They're not bad. They're kind of pricey because you're paying $10 for these 14 these small little bars here, little, cups. Is it worth it? Once in a while, you treat yourself to something that's nice. This is good. So this is my review of the keto of the Slim Fast Keto Fat Bombs. Clinical proven to lose weight and keep it off. Yeah, sure. This is Todd for the xking.com. Check out my blog, and I'll see you next time.